everybody. Andy Bassett, president of Ellerbrock-Norris here again. We're continuing our series called Is Insurance Enough? So as promised, we're going to kind of dive into the 10 impact areas of risk we here at Ellerbrock-Norris advise our business clients on. And I think the last one we shot was around business continuity and how that can impact a business. Today we're going to talk about safety and think about, is insurance enough to address safety in the workplace? And when we think about how does insurance even address safety, it becomes pretty clear that workers' compensation comes to mind. If we have somebody get injured in and out of the course of employment, there is a very clear remedy available to that employee by way of workers' compensation. Now, but is that enough as a business to rely on the fact that we know there's dollars there from a work comp standpoint to pay an injured employee for medical bills, lost time, etc.? I don't think it is. And safety is a big topic. It's a cultural topic in businesses, and that's what we get really passionate about, working safely as a culture. But let's think about other areas of pure cost, for lack of better terms, that safety plays in our environment. So we've experienced unfortunately kind of the worst of the worst scenarios over time that happen in workplaces, and you can think of the worst being a fatality. Those happen. Unfortunately, people are killed in and out of the course of employment. And when this happens, we've got the work comp there, the insurance is there, but what else is impacted in that moment? And we've seen clients have to hire consulting firms to come in and do counseling firms to come in and do counseling for other employees that maybe witnessed the fatality and are having a really hard time mentally. That's extremely taxing on the culture and costs of the company. So think about that, or think about we've now lost a very key person and we're trying to figure out how do we bring somebody else up to speed, or how do we shift another person into their role? And that gets really costly. It gets really inefficient. It causes us to have to move a lot of pieces around. And those costs and that impact on our company grow and grow and grow. And we've seen it all firsthand. You go back to the worst of the worst type of thing happening on a job site, and we have now people having to respond to media maybe being there, or others get information getting out in the news and what's happening to our brand, and all of a sudden we can start to see all of these costs of an incident start to rack up that are way outside of anything insurance is going to address. So now we need to think about, is insurance enough to address when our employees are injured in and out of the course of employment? No, it's a good remedy for the medical bills and such, but we need to be thinking about how do we invest our time, energy, resources, talent on the front end to have an absolute culture of working safely, so on the back end we can control and reduce those unexpected expenses that can come if the worst of the worst event happens. Even better, let's do everything we can to keep the worst of the worst events from happening. So when it comes to safety, insurance certainly isn't enough. So reach out to our team. We're passionate about this particular topic. We've got the ENCORE Safety Network is a big piece of how we look at addressing safety specifically here at Ellerbrock-Norris. Reach out to one of our advisors or talk to another advisor you know, and make sure you've got a proactive strategy to manage safety and safety in your workplace. Get everybody going home the way they came to work, and we all win. That's it for today. Until next time, thank you all.